So this is the project we have designed, ground fault detection
For
for delta delta ungrounded system. Ground fault detection for delta delta ungrounded system. So coming to the project, we can observe the various components of the project brief. This is the main incoming supply, three-phase incoming supply, and given to the this three-pole MCB, and this is the three-phase MCB, controlling MCB for the project, and indication lamps, three-phase indication lamps, and contactor. It's a circuit breaker, three-phase contactor, and a variable frequency drive, and push to on, push to off buttons, three different voltmeters, ammeters, and transformers, individual transformers, R phase, Y phase, B phase, delta connected primary winding, delta connected secondary winding, and current transformers for the particular all three phases, and numerical earth fault relay. This is the numerical earth fault relay, and these three are load lamps, R phase, Y phase, B phase, and fault detection lamps for the particular R phase, Y phase, B phase, and load MCBs, RYB load MCBs, and fault creation MCBs, RYB phases, fault creation MCBs.
as per circuit.
Now you can have the look, project look. Now coming to the circuit diagram connections, simply the mains three phase supply is coming here, three phase 415 volts AC supply is coming here. It is given to three phase MCB, and the three phase MCB output is given to my circuit breaker. The circuit breaker output is fed to variable frequency drive. Variable frequency drive output is again given to these three transformers, primary side, delta side, and again from the transformers secondary side, the supply is given to actually these this is the terminal block, and from this terminal block we have connected the voltmeters, three voltmeters, which gives the voltages, and ammeters also, these three ammeters. So from the transformer secondary delta side of the transformer, supply is given to the current transformers. From the transformer secondary, the supply is given to these three particular ammeters. In series with ammeters, the supply is always connected to these three current transformers, R phase, Y phase, B phase current transformers. Now the supply is fed to these load lamps through these single pole MCBs, and these are the controlling switches, R phase, Y phase, B phase, and these are the load lamps, particular load lamps. So this is the fault creation MCBs for the particular LG faults. Now these fault creation MCBs connections are given here. These are the terminals, R phase, Y phase, B phase, neutral. There is a patch cord, small patch cord provided here to create the fault, like R phase neutral LG fault, Y phase to neutral LG fault, B phase to neutral LG fault. Now I am switching on the unit, entire unit once again.
First,
This is the mains, three phase mains MCB to switch on the unit. After that, press this green button, on button. The VFD Now is in on condition. Now switch on this VFD on button. After pressing the green button, switch on this VFD switch and increase the voltage through this potentiometer. So using this potentiometer, we have applied the voltage and maintained the frequency 50 Hz. Now you can observe the experiment. We are creating the faults. So these are the applied voltages and no load currents. Now we are applying load, lamp load. So we have applied the lamp load. Whenever the fault is created, this is the load current for the particular load. Now we are going to create the LG fault on R phase, Y phase, B phase respectively. So in order to create the fault, connect the patch cord, take one patch cord and connect here from R phase to neutral and switch on this fault creation MCB. So you can observe this LED indication. Now it got off. You can observe this R phase LED is in off condition due to the fault, LG fault. And you can observe the load lamp, R phase load lamp is also in off condition. Indication LED and load lamp LED off condition. And the relay is in trip condition due to LG fault occurred in R phase. Now switch off this and create the same fault in Y phase and switch on the Y phase fault creation MCB. Now we can observe the LED indication in off condition and load Y phase LED in off condition. Again relay also in trip condition. Again coming to B phase LG fault, B phase and switch on the fault creation MCB. So there is a LG fault in B phase and the load lamp is in off condition for the particular B phase and the relay is also got tripped. Now you can observe the voltages in the phase B phase reduced for the particular B phase and remaining two phases are increased by √3 times, voltages increased by √3 times. This is one more important condition which we have to observe. So these are the different LG faults we have created on this particular ungrounded system. So we can observe the fault creation and detection MCBs, LED positions and load lamps and relay indication, alarm this trip indications and the voltage voltmeter reading while the under fault condition, and this is the complete demonstration for the particular ground fault project for the ungrounded system. So you can create respected LG fault on R phase, Y phase, B phase. You can have these LED indications. Now the fault is in B phase, and if you want to if you want to simulate the fault in R phase to neutral, connect patch cord from here to here and switch on this R phase fault creation MCB. So these are the indications. R phase LED in off condition and load also off. Next, coming to Y phase LG fault. Switch on the Y phase, and now the LG fault is occurred in Y phase, and LED load LED also got off. Now B phase, switch on the B phase MCB. So LG fault occurred in B phase, and the load lamp also got off condition, and relay also in trip condition. So this is the complete overview of the project and demonstration about this project. Thank you.